Children, in this video we will do exercise of the chapter number 16 and the topic of the chapter is simple present tense.
Exercise. Write down the simple present tense form of these verbs. Assume that their subjects are he, she, it. We have to write these verbs in simple present tense and we have to assume that their subjects are singular. हमें ये सोच लेना है कि मतलब ये जो वर्ब्स दिए गए हैं वे सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए हमें यूज़ करने हैं, तो इसे हमें वैसे फॉर्म करना है. एंड वी नो दैट विद सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स in simple present tense with singular subjects we add s, es or ies in the original form of verbs. जब सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स होता है सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में, जब सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो वहाँ पर हम जब वर्ब यूज़ करते हैं उसमें एस, ई एस और आई ई एस ऐड करते हैं. तो ये जो वर्ब्स दिए गए हैं इसमें भी हमें क्या करना है, इसे हमें सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट सोच करके कि इसका सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें इसे फॉर्म करना है. सो फर्स्ट इज फ्लाई, FLY फ्लाई. सो इट विल बी फ्लाइज, FLIES फ्लाइज. Next, match. It will be matches, MATCHES. We add ES, matches. Mix. So it will be MIXES, mixes. Dance. So here we add only S, dances, because E is already given. Dance, dances, DANCES, dances. Catch, CATCH, catch. When verbs end in S, ES, CH, SH or X, we add ES. So here we add ES. CATCHES, catches. Next, sing, SING, sing. So here we add only S, sings. It will be sings. Enjoy, ENJOY, enjoy. When verbs end with a vowel and a y such as enjoy, so we add only s, so it will be enjoys, ENJOYS, enjoys. Write, WRITE, write. So here we add only s, it will be writes, WRITES, writes. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense form of the verbs in brackets. So verbs are given in brackets and we have to fill it. But first of all we have to see whether the subjects are singular or plural. If the subject will be singular number, so we add s, es or ies in the original form of the verbs, and if subjects are plural, so we don't add s, es or ies, we write only original form of the verb. First is Pia-fluent English, and here we have to write speak. The word speak is given in brackets, so here we have to fill speak. So what can we write? Pia. Pia is singular subject. Pia is a girl and it's a singular subject. So with singular subjects we add s. We will add s in original form of verb. So it will be speaks, SPEAKS, speaks. Pia speaks fluent English. Mita dash a huge bag to school, and in this blank we have to write carry. We have to write carry. Verb is given in bracket carry. So Mita, here we can see that Mita is a singular subject, and with singular subject we add s, es or ies in the original form of the verb. So carry. So carry का क्या हो जाएगा? CARRIES, carries. Here we replace y with IES. यहाँ पर हम y को replace करते हैं IES से. CARRIES, carries. Mita carries a huge bag to school. The rainwater dash the rivers and ponds. Fill. The rainwater. So here we can see that rainwater. तो ये रेन वाटर में एस नहीं लगा, वाटर्स नहीं है, वाटर है, तो ये सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है, तो यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे फिल्स. द रेन वाटर फिल्स द रिवर्स एंड पॉन्ड्स. Manoj and Vijay dash badminton together, and verb is play. Play, play. So what are subjects? What is subjects? Manoj and Vijay. तो सब्जेक्ट में दो लोगों की बात की जा रही है, मनोज एंड विजय. सो इट विल बी प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. क्लियर? व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट मोर देन वन पर्सन, वन एनिमल और थिंग, when it will be more than one person, animal or thing, it means that is plural subjects. So Manoj and Vijay is plural subjects, plural subject. So here we write only play. With the plural number of nouns or pronouns, we write original form of the verb in simple present tense. So it will be Manoj and Vijay play badminton together. The boys dash in the pool on weekends. Swim. Verb is swim. Boys. Boys are plural number, plural subject. So with plural subject, we write original form of the verb. We don't add ses or ies. So here we will write swim. The boys swim in the pool on weekends. His handwriting is very good. He dashed very attentively. Verb is write. His handwriting is very good. He writes. He is singular subject, so it will be writes. He writes very attentively. Jyoti is fond of music. Fond means शौकीन. Jyoti is fond of music. She dash Western music every Saturday. Learn. Verb is learn. So what can we write here? Learns, because she is singular subject. So Jyoti is fond of music. She learns Western music every Saturday. The baby dash whenever it is happy. Laugh. Verb is laugh. The baby is singular subject, so it will be laughs. 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 The baby laughs whenever it is happy. Rewrite these sentences by using the subjects given in brackets and change the form of verbs accordingly. Rewrite these sentences by using the subjects given in brackets and change the form of verbs accordingly. Make other changes also if required. यहाँ पे जो sentences लिखे हैं उसे हमें फिर से लिखना है, रीराइट करना है हमें, और जो सब्जेक्ट्स दिए गए हैं उसे चेंज करना है. उस सब्जेक्ट्स की जगह पे हमें जो ब्रैकेट्स में सब्जेक्ट दिए गए हैं उसे राइट करना है, और उन जो ब्रैकेट्स वाले सब्जेक्ट को हम लिखेंगे उसके साथ हमें वर्ब क्या ऐड करें, कौन सा फॉर्म रहेगा वर्ब का, वो देखना है और उसे सही करना है. क्योंकि जो सेंटेंसेस हैं उसमें जो सेंटेंस पहले से लिखे गए हैं उसमें जो सब्जेक्ट है उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये वर्ब लिखा गया है, लेकिन हम इस सब्जेक्ट को चेंज कर रहे हैं. जब सब्जेक्ट चेंज करेंगे तो हमें वर्ब भी देखना पड़ेगा कि वर्ब में कोई चेंजिंग होगी या नहीं. क्लियर? So first sentence is Suhana helps the poor. So here subject is Suhana and it is in singular subject. It is singular subject. So we can see that here the verb is, here we added s. S is already added in the original form of verb, because with we know that with singular subject we add ses or ies in the original form of verb. So instead of Suhana we have to write I, because I is given in bracket. We have to write I. So I, with I what can we write? we know that we write original form of the verbs with I, we, they, you. We know that we write original form of the verb with I, we, they, you. We don't add ses or ies with I, we, they, you. If the subject is I, we, they, you, if the subjects are I, we, they, you, so we don't add ses or ies in the original form of the verb. So here we write I help the poor. We remove s. I help the poor. Mehika reaches school on time. So instead of Mehika, we have to write they. So with they, we write original form of the verb. So it will be they reach school on time. Tanya and Tanu talk in class. Tanya and Tanu. So here subject is plural because there are two persons, Tanya and Tanu. Subject is plural, so that's why here in the verb there is no ses or ies. Talk. Talk is original form of the verb because with the plural subjects we write original form of the verb. So we have to replace Tanya and Tanu. We have to replace Tanya and Tanu with he. So subject will be he. So with he we write original form of the verb plus s. He talks in class. The students stand in a queue. Queue means line. The students stand in a queue. So we have to replace the students with Ravi and Surya. In this sentence, the students, this is plural subject. It is plural subject, and Ravi and Surya is also plural subject because there is two persons. So we write Ravi and Surya stand in a queue. Ravi and Surya, they are two persons. It is plural subject. With plural subject, we write original form of the verb. We don't add ses or ies. So verb will be same. The students is also plural subject. So with the students, verb is in original form. So with Ravi and Surya, we also write stand only. Ravi and Surya stand in a queue. Tanmay carries the water bottle in a bag. Tanmay carries the water bottle in a bag. So we have to replace Tanmay with we. Instead of Tanmay, we have to write we. We, and here it is written carries because Tanmay is singular subject. With singular subject, when a verb ends with a consonant and a y, like carry, so we replace y with ies. That's why here it is written carries. Tanmay carries. So instead of Tanmay, we have to write we. So it will be carry. We carry. We remove ies and write y. We replace. They sing very well. They sing very well. Subject will be Sonali. We have to write Sonali. Sonali sings very well because Sonali is singular subject. Sonali sings. We add s in the original form of the verb. Sonali sings very well. He watches cartoons after his studies. So we have to replace he with the children. The children watch cartoons after his studies because the children is plural subject. So we remove s from original form of the verb. So it will be the children. We remove es because the verb is watches, watches. So here we have to remove es. So it will be the children watch cartoons after his studies. The last one is we read stories every day. We have to write Vani and Meena. We have to change subject. So it will be Vani and Meena. Vani and Meena is plural subject. Plural subject. And we, with we write original form of the verb. It is written read. That's why here it is written read. We read stories every day. So Vani and Meena is plural subject. With plural subject also we write original form of the verb. So here we cannot change. We cannot change verbs. We write same. Vani and Meena read stories every day. Next exercise is rewrite the sentences by changing the subjects from plural to singular. Rewrite the sentences by changing the subjects from plural to singular. ये जो सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं इसमें सब्जेक्ट्स प्लूरल नंबर में है, आपको इसे सिंगुलर नंबर में करना है. डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेंज द वर्ब्स अकॉर्डिंगली. और जब हम सब्जेक्ट को चेंज करेंगे, प्लूरल से सिंगुलर बनाएंगे, तो वर्ब भी चेंज होगा. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज द ट्रेन्स स्टॉप ओनली एट दिस स्टेशन. द ट्रेन्स, हियर trains is plural subject, so we have to write singular subject. We have to change this subject from plural to singular, so it will be the train. The trains, यहाँ पे train में s added, it means ये plural number का subject है. जब कोई नाउन है उसमें एस ई एस ऐड होता है तो उसे हम प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं, वो प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट हो जाता है. और जब हम उसमें से एस और ई एस रिमूव कर देते हैं तो वो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट बन जाता है. और ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में हम देख सकते हैं कि अगर सब्जेक्ट में, नाउन में अगर एस और ई एस ऐड है तो वो सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल हो गया, और उसके साथ जो हम वर्ब यूज़ करते हैं उसमें एस और ई एस ऐड नहीं करते हैं. और अगर सब्जेक्ट में एस और ई एस नहीं है तो वो प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट है, सॉरी वो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट हो जाता है. अगर एस और ई एस नहीं है तो वो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट हो जाता है, और उस टाइम पे जो हम वर्ब यूज़ करते हैं उसमें एस और ई एस ऐड करते हैं. अगर सब्जेक्ट में एस ई एस है तो वर्ब में एस और ई एस नहीं रहेगा, और अगर सब्जेक्ट में एस और ई एस नहीं है तो वर्ब में हम एस और ई एस ऐड करते हैं. तो यहाँ पर ट्रेन्स है तो ट्रेन्स में से हम क्या करेंगे, एस रिमूव करेंगे. वी रिमूव एस, सो इट विल बी द ट्रेन. द ट्रेन, जब द ट्रेन होगा तो स्टॉप जो लिखा वर्ब, इट स्टॉप इज अ वर्ब, सो द ट्रेन स्टॉप्स. बिकॉज हम ट्रेन्स में से एस हटाए हैं तो हम वो एस कहाँ लग जाएगा, वर्ब में. कह सकते हैं कि वहाँ पर हम वर्ब में एस ऐड करेंगे. द ट्रेन स्टॉप्स ओनली एट दिस स्टेशन. नेक्स्ट, द मेन गो टू द ऑफिस. मेन, MEN इज प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट, plural noun. So what will be the singular subject for men? Man, the man. The man, and verb will be goes. GOES, goes. The man goes to the office. So like this you have to do rest sentences. You have to rewrite rest sentences by changing the subjects from plural to singular and change the verbs accordingly. Sentences: the students read in the library. The washermen wash clothes. They dance gracefully. These boys play in the garden. The cats run after mice. Mice means चूहे. Mouse का plural number है, plural form. Books give us knowledge. Find verbs from the grid which express the actions of the given nouns. Note that the verbs are in simple present tense. आपको इस ग्रिड में से verbs फाइंड आउट करने हैं, और जिसके लिए नाउन्स नीचे दिए गए हैं उन नाउन्स के लिए आपको verbs फाइंड आउट करने हैं और उसे नाउन के आगे पर राइट करना है, उस नाउन के आगे. और जो ये वर्ब्स दिए गए हैं ग्रिड में वे सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में हैं। सो नाउन्स क्या है? टीचर्स, सिंगर्स, ऑथर्स, सोल्जर्स, प्लेयर्स, ships, birds and dancers. So students, here we can see that in all subjects there are s is included. It means these all subjects are plural subjects. These all are plural subjects. So when we write verb, so we don't add s or es in the original form of the verb. We write only original form of the verb. Match the following. Left side in first column subjects are given, and in second column verbs plus objects are given. So you have to match subjects with appropriate verbs. Like अगर हम सब्जेक्ट देखें जो लिखा द बिग स्टार, इट मीन्स ये सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है, तो इसके लिए वर्ब में हम देखेंगे एस और एस ऐड होना चाहिए और कौन सा वर्ब इसके लिए सूटेबल है। तो ऐसे रीड करके हम इसे मैच करेंगे। द बिग स्टार, एट टाइम्स द बेबी, स्टार्स, फिशरमैन, बेबीज, द फिशरमैन। एंड इन सेकेंड कॉलम क्राइज बिटरली, कैच फिश, laugh heartily, catches fish, twinkle in the sky, twinkles in the sky. So read carefully students and match it.